To give a clap to Mr. Nafis to write this beautiful Sreda code, which is very similar to V4, but he pulled it off. So please, one round of applause. It's a very good job. I just found it today that he wrote that code. So this is one good news. Second good news is we have 13 best factory, RNG factory in Bangladesh. Platinum certified, one of the highest. So that is one good news for Bangladesh. We are going very fast. And out of the 13, 3 is done by me. So to start with green, green is not a magic powder that you like throw on top of a project. It just doesn't work like that. But the current codes and lead certification, BREEAM, whatnot, they are actually working as a powder. They're giving you sets of itinerary or agenda that you have to fill in. But this is not that matured right now. It will go much more. Right now we are targeting for green building, then there is a net zero building. Net zero building is something where you put on all the utilities once inside the building and it creates or generates recycles every day. No other utility has to be put in. Then there are buildings like a net bomb. Give back to the main grid. It produces energy and gives back to the main grid. Currently, in Bangladesh, the way we are working, architect, a typical system is a client goes to an architect, then he designed the whole concept, then it goes to structural engineer, mechanical engineer, and we develop a design through that. But for green building, the process starts from the beginning. Even owner, a construction manager, everybody sits on one table. They give their input. From the first input, then everybody goes back, develop some kind of design. Say, for example, we do orientation modeling, then we do flow design modeling, then we do envelope design, like a building envelope. There are different layers of envelopes. So then we come back, then we develop again, we give feedbacks from all the other engineers. Then we develop, then we come to a conclusion because it's never ending. Because some of the factory which I designed, and when I went back, I saw many of the attributes that we put in. For example, say air change per hour. Say air change per hour at Ashray, it's more of a temperate climate. Say we do 26 air change per hour, but we see in Bangladesh, like a tropical climate, it's not workable. Sometimes we have to go 36 air change per hour. So even though we are making green buildings, we have to always go back as a designer and to see whether it is working as per the attributes or not. So this is basically the typical practice we're having. Mostly clients were very much interested on doing green buildings because of the buyers. Okay, because of the buyers, but now they think it's very expensive. So actually, I think Bangladesh will stop making green buildings if Sreda doesn't come up with a great policy or something. We have to impose this green thing. So I think that's it from me today. Thank you.
Thank you.